kind of looks like I have a lot going on, and I might have a lot going on. This is going to be the 2 loaves that we'll use up the scraps left over from the Cranberry Pomegranate Buffalo Plaid design. That was a 6-color Buffalo Plaid that I did. So I actually ended up with a lot of extra pieces, and I'm getting around to using them. So I've got the extra little blocks. I've already got some set in here, and then I have my little shavings. I went ahead and shredded down all the extra little pieces. And then, I don't know if you can see it, over here, I have those little end pieces. They're upside down, but I put them upside down in here. I cut them out with cookie cutters. You see that little plaid? Isn't that fun? So I put them in there, and that'll be a neat little design on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another kind of plaid here with those scraps that are kind of the same color. I'm not putting any red large pieces in there. And then on this side, this one will be a little bit more retro than the other one. So I'm going to get started. I have 5 different layers I'm going to do. So the first layer is more just kind of fill in the gaps a little bit. And then I'll place my first embeds in there. And I have spacers in there, these little chopsticks. That was one thing I could find that would fit perfectly in there to get that centered. Those will come out after that first layer is done. I already have my first round of oils and lye, and the shreds all separate out, have my fragrance. This is the Cranberry Pomegranate from Brambleberry. It accelerates bad. So it accelerates like a pumpkin spice would. So this is, I love what it smells like, but I wouldn't use this in anything that's any major designs. However, I don't have very much left since there's so much scraps and everything. It's going to be a very small amount in each layer, so I'm not super worried about it setting up too fast on me, but I'm going to plan accordingly and work faster if I can. So let's go ahead and get started.